to my channel. Today we will be packing my new Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So the organizer just came in. I just did a little haul video, which I think will probably go up before this. And I wish I got a different color. I thought this would match. I purchased this from Zumoni. And I just wanted something to really protect the interior, help keep its shape, and help organize a few things. If you saw my unboxing video, which I'll have linked below, I mentioned that I ordered this, and then I also ordered a Dior Mitza, which I absolutely love this. I think it's so cute. And so I love the Mitza line. It's probably one of my favorite lines. I got a lot of products from Dior, which I unboxed on TikTok and Instagram, but a gift with purchase that I received was this Mitza holder, and I'll be using this for my straightener and a curling iron. So love how this matches. I think it just looks so cute together. I think it's like the perfect combo. I also just really love this. I am not a fan of the non-patinaed leather, and so I really like this because I think it'll help it patina nicely, and I'm just really looking forward to using this on my first trip. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I brought items that I typically travel with, and that way we can get a good look at what will actually fit in here and if this will work for me. So I haven't really tested anything out. I figured I'd do it on camera as per usual. So I purchased a few new items for the trip, for context for this trip that I'm going to. And if y'all like this, I can do for each trip that we go to like a different pack with me's in this, if y'all want to see how, like, different ways that I've used it, because this trip is going to go visit in-laws. So we'll be staying primarily, you know, like we'll go out to dinner, but we'll just be like just relaxing with them, spending time with them because we haven't seen them in a bit. And I'm actually working while we're there, so I just need like my everyday stuff pretty much, so nothing too crazy. In May we go to the Washington area, so I can go to residency, so I'll probably pack differently than I would for this trip. And then I have a wedding to go to, or we have a wedding to go to this summer, and I'll be the matron of honor, and so I'll definitely pack differently for a wedding because I'll probably like bring a lot more makeup, as y'all know. So yeah, if y'all want those different pack with me's, let me know and I'll be happy to do them. I'm also going to do a full pack with me. So once this is done, I'm going to start and just actually pack for the trip with you guys, so that way y'all can see the keep all, and then this, and I have a new toiletry piece and how those all work. So y'all will be able to see how this fits in different suitcases and luggage items as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in because I feel like this is just a really long intro. So I have these new living proof items. So I just purchased these from Ulta. So I have the dry shampoo, advanced clean dry shampoo, the some dry volume and texture spray, some perfecting spray, which is also a conditioning and hydrator. We're going to very cold weather, so I thought that was important. I have this IGK heat protectant. I absolutely love this. I went on about this in my haul video because I really have just loved this brand. It was recommended by my hairstylist, and I'm just obsessed with it. I've been using it every single day whenever I straighten my hair. We have a Dior palette, and then a Chanel palette somewhere, and I overestimated the size of the pocket, so I thought these would be like a little bit larger, and I was hoping that I could keep my palettes in here, but they will not fit. But luckily these are small and I can probably just keep them on the side. But I'm bringing, these are my two like everyday palettes. So the ombre tweed, well, this one isn't really everyday, but I like it. So ombre tweed, I feel like this is a good, like I can use it for day and also use it for night. And then this is just my everyday palette. This is the Dior poncho. And so as you can see, I use this one a lot. But bringing these two. Lately I've been using the Dior Mitza. So, like I mentioned, I'm obsessed with the line, like that palette for every day, so I can pack these now. But these fit perfectly, just like this. And we'll just like these look good in here. I have this little Mitza holder that came with the gift with purchase that also has a box. I was thinking about putting like my hair ties and maybe like bobby pins in here, so that way they're in one spot. But I was also thinking I could put them in like the corners, But I don't know, let's try. If we have the room for this, I'll keep this so that way I know exactly where it's at. I think I can probably put this up here. Yeah, so we have that. I have deodorant. And then I have this brush from Dry Bar. And let's see if we can put this here. That won't be able to stand up. So maybe we can do that. We'll do this last. Let's see what else I brought. I have this moisturizer from Chanel. I actually might not bring this. Let's see. I think we can make everything fit. I brought these little, like, they come with like orders to hold everything just in case I need them, but I really don't think I need them. I forgot to bring my makeup remover and my toner. So but I want to see how this looks first because now I'm concerned about the brush. If I need to put the brush, actually I might just keep the brush with the straightener. Yeah, I'll put it in the little Dior bag and that's how we'll do that. I won't even worry about it. So that'll be with the straightener. And then let me grab the toner and then my makeup remover. Okay, so I have these little bottles from Target. And so this one is the toner and then this one is the makeup remover. So we'll just put this in and I think that's it. I don't feel safe with these being loose and I don't know where I put the caps, so I might run and go get some new bottles so I can have the caps before closing it, but that will close. Now I just need to pack some samples. So I have this Chanel holder and this has literally all the samples that I get from Dior and Chanel, and I like keeping these for when I travel. So I just need to bring some moisturizer. So here is the La Mousse. This is a just like a facial cleanser, so I'll bring that. Probably need to bring a few. I have the Dior Off On version, so I'll bring that. And then I don't need a capture towel because I'm bringing my moisturizer. We'll bring one more La Mousse just in case because I just feel like I'm probably going to be washing my face every day with like the weather. There's also this Dior Prestige sample that I think I'll bring too, just in case I want to like sleep with that one. Oh, actually I could probably, I'm gonna use, which one's the makeup? This one's the makeup remover. I'm just gonna bring this bottle of the makeup remover instead, and that way there's more room, and just keep the toner in here. And then I don't know why I put makeup remover in here knowing that I have those little bottles. Here's some more of the Sublimage line for this, and I think this is actually the same thing. No, this is the eye cream, so I'm gonna bring the eye cream. And then, what is this? This is the Hydra Beauty Micro Liquid Essence, something for hydration. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna bring it. So I think that's good on cleansers and moisturizers. And then I still have a lot of like backups for other trips. So let's put those back in here. And then we can close this up and add it inside. Actually, I might take this one and just put it on here. There we go. Because this one I'm less concerned about spraying on its own because it won't touch the top, but this one definitely will. So let's do this and there we go. So that is everything, and I think I'm still using my razor, but I can place my razor like right here up top before we leave, as well as my toothbrush, so I don't have any concerns about those fitting in. And then I can put my travel toothpaste in here. So that's everything so far. So let's, or at least everything that we'll need for right now. and it is a perfect fit. So like I said, this fits everything, all of the essentials that I knew I needed. I knew this was going to be the perfect size. So I think depending on what trip I go on and like the amount of like makeup palettes and stuff I bring, I might actually end up taking out the volume and texture spray because I don't really feel like I'll need it for this trip. Yeah, I really don't need this for this trip, and I think that'll help with like spacing, but I don't want it to be too stuffed. But I know like when I go again to residency and the wedding, I'll definitely bring it, but for this trip I won't, because I wouldn't use it on an everyday basis. So yeah, either way, that is what I have in here. And then for those of you that are new to my channel or just don't know, so I typically, this is what I carry every day with me. So if you're wondering like where's mascara and everything, I actually carry all that in here. So this is also what I'll be traveling with. So I have my hand cream, which I need to put on, purse spray. So this is my perfume, so I don't have to worry about putting that in there. So I pretty much use these two together. I have hand sanitizer, tissues. I recently purchased this lip balm from Dior. But then I also have lip gloss, normal lip balm. I need to refill this, but ibuprofen. And then I have my eyeshadow brush, like this travel brush from Chanel, which I'll need to clean before we leave. But I have that, and then mascara, and I'll probably throw in another mascara. And then I have other travel items as well in here, like different tubes of mascara and eyeliner. And I'll throw my eyeliner in here too now that I think about it. But typically when it comes to makeup, that's what I'll carry this in here just in case I need it on the plane ride. Because typically I pack this in my carry-on, but I don't know if I'll do that. I don't know how I'm gonna pack it just yet because I'm a carry-on packer only. And so because we'll have like a lot more sweaters, I don't know if I'll have room and if I need to carry it in my keep ball. But either way, typically that's why I put all like my makeup in here. But now too, I think these two are like the perfect combo of everything that I need to pack and bring with me. So yeah, other than that, that is a pack with me and my niece, how I plan to use it. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all want to see how it fits in the keep ball and the carry-on, I think the next video after this will definitely be that pack with me where I pack both of those items. So you'll definitely be able to see that there. So yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching.